Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XT5. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, smartphone wireless charging, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.